Good day, folks. This is the solution for the long answer questions for the test one. So in the very first question, you're given jumping straight up, how long will a red kangaroo will remain in air if it jumps through the height of 3 meters? So it goes up like this and comes back. So we are given delta D in the upward direction is 3 meters. Final velocity on top when it reaches here will be equal to 0. G value is negative 9.81 meters per second square. We're going to use the formula delta D equal to V final times time minus half GT square. And this portion will be 0 because final velocity is 0. This is 3 minus half times negative 9.81 times t square. So once you're going to solve this, t value will come out to be 0.78. Now after solving for the time, this is the time it will take to reach on top, same amount of time it will take to come back. So t total will be equal to 0.78 times 2. That will be the total time taken. Now for the second one, it says the jogger runs with the velocity of this much at 20 degrees north of east. Alaskan cruise heading towards the north with this much. What is the jogger's ground velocity? Vg is what we are looking for. Va is given to us, which is 3.75, 20 degrees north of east. So I can say Vax equal to 3.75 cos of 20 degrees, and VAY value will be equal to 3.75 sine of 20 degrees, and VW X is equal to 0 because it is moving straight to the north direction. So VWY will be 13 meters per second in the upward direction. That's why this number is positive. Now I'm going to find the VGX, which will be equal to VAX plus VWX. So that VAX value, first of all, this will come out to be 3.52 meters per second, and this value will come out to be 1.28 meters per second. I'm going to quickly stop here for a second. I'm going to look into these calculations. Although I'm pretty sure I've done these calculations right, but I just wanted to confirm it. And multiply by cos of 20. Yep, so that is correct. Now VGX will come out to be VAX plus VWX. So this 3.52 plus 0, and 0 means there is nothing we're going to add, and VGY, VAY plus VWY, and VAY is 13. Well, actually VWY is 13, VAY is 1.28. 1.28 plus 13, which is 4.28. We got both the values VGX and VGY. So both are positives, and we want to find the resultant like this. So 14 here. So this is VGY, this is VGX, and this is VG. So we will apply the Pythagorean theorem. VG will be equal to square root of 14.28 square plus 3.52 square. That's going to give you final answer as 14.7. 14.7, and tangent theta is equal to 14.28 divided by 3.52, because this value is 3.52, this is 14.28. So theta value will come out to be tan inverse of this value, which is 14.7 degrees north of east. So majority of you guys got these two questions right, but the third one is where you guys made mistakes. So this is something like this. There is a block here, and there is a frictional force at 12.8 Newton, and then there is another block attached here with the help of a pulley, and which is trying to move in the downward direction. This is 2 kg block, this is 4 kg block. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it on a horizontal surface like this, and I'm going to say this one is the Fg, which is a forward force in this case, and the frictional force will be here, which will be a backward force. So equation will be F net force will be equal to Fg. I'll consider this value as positive because I'm taking it to the right side. This is 4 kg, this is 2 kg, minus force of friction. So this value, this Fg is acting only on 2 kgs because this 2 kg is moving in the downward direction. 2 times 9.81 minus force of friction, which is equal to 12.8. So net force, which is equal to ma, acceleration value will be 6 times a, because total acceleration is acting on both the masses. That will be equal to 6.8. Dividing both sides by 6, you will get the acceleration value 1.13. Now for part B, you can draw the diagram for this portion or this portion also. I'm going to take the 2 kg mass. So forward force is 2 times 9.81. The backward force is Ft, which we have to look for. And F net is equal to Ft, which I marked it as backward, plus Fg, which is 19.6. Multiply these two values. And Ft value, which I'm looking for, and F net is mass times acceleration. Which mass? Because I'm concentrating only 2 kg mass, so I'll use 2 times 9.81. Well, not 9.81, it is acceleration. I'll take 1.13. I'll highly recommend you guys, if you wanted to have the detailed explanation of this, kindly watch the videos. I posted the video on this topic also. So Ft equal to 19.6 minus 2.26, which will come out to be 17.3 meters per second. And this comes out to be the value. That's about it. And yeah, hopefully you were able to understand these questions. I wish you all the best for your midterm. Make sure you guys do these questions thoroughly, especially the chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4, because chapter 4 is on the test also. And do watch the recordings on chapter 4. They will be really helpful for you guys. Good day, guys.